Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to jump on here really quick and do a quick update to my YouTube cooking channel that I know many of you guys have been anticipating, waiting for me to do something. A lot has happened, but hey, I'm out of excuses. I want to show you something really cool. My girlfriend Tracy, most of you guys who follow me know that she bought me this amazing gift for Father's Day. It is the Master Built Charcoal Gravity Fed Smoker. And this 4th of July, I'm breaking her in. So I've procrastinated long enough. I'm gonna start getting ready to get some content together for the cooking channel. So if there's anything that you want me to cook, grill, smoke, whatever, any ideas, I know some of you guys have posted things, and I know, again, I apologize, it's been a while. But I'm gonna get it up and running. I just wanted to kind of give you a small teaser as to what I got coming up. And I'm really excited. So as soon as you guys see this video, like it, share it with some friends. And like I said, I think it's that time where I'm ready to start sharing, not everything, because some of this stuff y'all need to figure out for yourselves. But I definitely want to put you on the right path. And I just like to cook, and I love to watch people eat my cooking, and I love to enjoy just being around people. And if you've ever gotten to sit down at my table and have dinner with me, you know, I take joy in watching people enjoy my cooking. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. It's hump day. We're almost there, guys, and then we've got a long weekend. So thank you very much for following me and liking and subscribing to this channel, and God bless each and every one of you. Until next time, bye-bye.